Here's a complete recipe for coq au vin, a classic French dish. Ingredients. For the marinade: 1 bottle, 750 milliliters, of red wine, preferably a Burgundy or Pinot Noir. 2. 4-5 cloves garlic, minced. 3. 2 bay leaves. 4. 2-3 sprigs of fresh thyme. 5. Salt and black pepper to taste. 6. 4 chicken legs, drumsticks and thighs. 7. 4 chicken wings, optional. 8. 200 g, 7 ounces, of bacon, diced. 9. 12-16 small pearl onions, peeled. 10. 250 g, 8 ounces, button mushrooms, halved. 11. 2-3 tablespoons olive oil. 12. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 13. 2 cups chicken stock. 14. Salt and black pepper to taste. 15. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine the red wine, minced garlic, bay leaves, thyme, salt, and black pepper to make the marinade. Place the chicken pieces in the marinade, ensuring they are fully submerged. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. This allows the chicken to absorb the flavors of the marinade. After marinating, remove the chicken from the wine and pat it dry with paper towels. Strain the wine and set it aside for later. In a large, heavy-bottomed Dutch oven or large skillet, cook the diced bacon over medium heat until it becomes crispy and the fat is rendered. Remove the bacon and set it aside. In the same pot, add a tablespoon of olive oil if needed and brown the chicken pieces in batches over medium-high heat. This should take about 4-5 minutes per side. Once browned, remove the chicken and set it aside. In the same pot, add a bit more olive oil if necessary, then add the pearl onions and mushrooms. Sauté them until they become golden brown, about 5-7 minutes. Remove them from the pot and set them aside. Sprinkle the flour into the pot and cook for a minute or two, stirring constantly, until it turns a light golden color. Return the chicken, bacon, sautéed onions, and mushrooms to the pot. Pour in the strained marinade and add the chicken stock. The liquid should cover the chicken, but not drown it. If necessary, you can add a bit more stock or water. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it gently simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours or until the chicken is tender and cooked through. Stir occasionally. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it, onions, and mushrooms from the pot and set them aside. Boil the sauce until it thickens to your desired consistency. This can take about 10-15 minutes. Skim any excess fat from the surface. Return the chicken, onions, mushrooms, and bacon to the pot. Heat them through for a few minutes. Season the coq au vin with salt and black pepper to taste. Sprinkle with chopped fresh parsley and serve hot. Coq au vin is traditionally served with crusty bread, rice, or mashed potatoes. Enjoy your delicious, homemade French dish. It's fantastic.